Good sound design is nothing without sound, right? So in saying that, here are my favorite places to source my sounds from. The first is to record them when you're actually shooting, whether that be a kettle turning on or a door opening, anything you can easily record, make sure you get a sample of that whilst you're actually shooting. The best setup for recording these sounds is to use a high quality shotgun and literally get it as close as you can to the thing you're recording. The second option is sound libraries. If you're happy to pay a subscription, Artlist is the one I use pretty much on a daily basis. If you're looking for a free option, however, freesound.org and surprisingly YouTube are the best places to find a lot of sound effects. It does sometimes take a fair bit of digging to find the exact sound you're looking for, but it's definitely worth it to just add that little bit of spice on top of your project.